Hello, today I wanted to do a quick video. I'm getting ready to put some jerky on, and I wanted to just do this real quick video to talk about the Wi-Fi module for the Pitts and Spitts pellet grill. And I already installed it. I didn't get a chance to do a step-by-step, just been super busy lately, but I think I installed it late at night one night, and I didn't really get a chance to do a step-by-step video. But the instructions are very good. If you follow the instructions, you won't have any trouble. But to give you an idea of what I did, you can see where I positioned my antenna. If I remember off the top of my head, I think it was 6 3/4 inches from the edge to the center of the hole, and then 2 inches from the bottom. Just center it. I think it was 6 3/4. Double check that. What I did over here on the hopper is the screws on the right hand side here, the one on this side and the one on the back side of the hopper, I took these completely out and loosened up these on the left side and let the plate swing down, the bottom cover. That gives you enough room to get your hand up from the bottom and plug the phone cable in behind the controller. Once I did that, I swung the plate back up, put these two screws on the front and the back, put those back in, and then I left them loose, and I took these two out and then let the plate swing down the other way, and that gives you enough room to get in to put the module in on this side. Just a couple of things to note. There is a flat washer on the other side of this plate. This is a shoulder washer on this side, along with a lock washer and a nut. And do not over tighten this, and do not over tighten the antenna. Make sure that the display inside is pointing toward the top. I put me a little small table out here because the hopper is too tall for the cable to reach, so get you a little table and set it on there to do all your setup. I did all 3 steps. I did the ad hoc, I did the home Wi-Fi, and I did the cloud setup. So I'll be able to use any of them if I need to. So I guess that's about it for the Wi-Fi module. It's up and running. It works great. If you have any questions or comments, just please let me know. I'm fixing to get this jerky on. Really windy day out here. Bob out.